Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow Design to Win e-workshop.
This year has been a very good year for us. We have so many participants. You guys have really set the bar so high.
With more young minds like yours, inshallah, I'm sure Malaysia has a great future.
Congratulations to all the 10 teams who make it into phase 2. It's time for you to know how you want to win these competitions. There are 4 main criteria that we are looking at.
Kindly sit back and relax as we will place you in your respective groups.
So you tak boleh lah kata when you talk about the sustainability, yes, everything is about the environment. No, you also need to engage with the economic and the social aspect.
So when you say about access to education, you must be specific also. If you want to target the students or the teachers.
What we have today, we need to make sure the future generation also can enjoy the thing that we have enjoyed today.
Access to your project, it should be user-friendly, not only limited to those who have the means or devices that they should have.